Well, I haven't posted a video of my little tank, my little 6-gallon cube, so I figured I would. It's had it going for about a month now, and it's doing pretty well. Got a couple of anemones in there, as you can see, and a couple of clowns. At first, the clowns were just kind of staying away from the anemone, and then Louisa put them in a bowl together in a big salad bowl, and the anemone and the clowns, and when she put her hand in the water, the clowns jumped right into the anemones. So, and ever since then, as you can see, they really like the anemones. So the bigger one, the more aggressive one, I'm assuming the female will run the male out. He'll go jump in the other one, and then she'll see he's in the other one, and she'll run over there and run him out of that one. So she's kind of laid claim to both of them. You see that she just jumped into that other one now. So, but they're both doing really well. Everything's doing well so far. We change the water about once a week, about 50% of the water, just to keep everything healthy and remove any toxins. So, and he goes and hangs up there at the top when she starts getting aggressive with him. So sorry about the shakiness. I figured I'd got a nice frog spawn in there, and added that flame algae in the back. That's what the rubber band's holding that on until it attaches to that rock. We've got a couple little acans in here and a mushroom, some cloves, and just a really pretty anemone. Got my homemade light fixture there on the top of it, just bolted to the cabinet. It's got a little fan inside to keep it cool. And then I don't know if you can see, but there's a few LEDs in there, and that's all controlled with this little controller here for the different channels: UV channel, blue channel, white channel, and then a moonlight channel that comes on at night. And that has a real-time clock inside, so once we kind of set the levels, again, sorry for the shakiness. Let me see if I can show you here. Once we kind of set the levels on it, let's see, I can bring up there's the blue. Whoa, that's just blue only. Bring up some of the white. Take out the blue. This is white only. You can see the intensity going up on that. Gets pretty bright with only 3 Cree natural whites. I'll take that down. Here's a UV channel. Again, it's going to oversaturate my my camera, but it gives it a nice. Look at the sand; it turns a nice purple glow. Freaks the fish out a little, so they go. Anytime they get freaked out now, they go jump in the anemone. That's no light, just the natural daylight. Again, the whites and the blues and the moonlights. I can't turn on right now because it's not nighttime, so the timer automatically runs them down, up and on at night and off during the daytime. Same thing with the daylights. Brings them up and then takes them down in the evening. So it's pretty maintenance free. I also have a little, as you can see there in the back, I made my own little ATO device as well. That's controlled by a microprocessor, so that whenever the switch triggers, it runs the pump for 30 seconds, adds a little bit of top off water, and then it rests for 8 minutes, so until it can be triggered again. That way I don't get the clicking when the water hits it. So alright, that's my update, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it's doing. Thanks.